I am very surprised. While I respect the panelists and what their final conclusion was, I do think that there is, again, we should proceed with a little bit of caution moving forward. I don't think that there is yet a direct causal relationship. There have been studies that have looked at nitrates and certain other nitrite-type compounds within meats that can or increase the risk of cancers. But to say that there is a direct causal relationship, I think that's really going a little too far, at least at this moment. This is certainly a very strong stance on the direct causal relationship between red meats and cancer. And my first initial reaction is that while I think the intention is correct and that there is a link, I think it's difficult to definitively create a causal link between red meats and colorectal cancer. I would caution them to not become vegetarians overnight. I think there's still a lot to be studied, and further investigations are needed, and larger cohort studies, potentially randomized studies, that to really prove or disprove the direct association. What I would tell them is that there needs to be some level of modification in terms of what they eat, how much red meats they have in their diet, and it's more important to have a well-balanced meal than it is one that completely excludes all meats from their diet.